no. Okay, enti monya ntem na tie frɛ no de na monya ntem na me so mentie mo frɛ no 0302 Africa, let's roll right now. You chatting with your baby girl? Yeah. Your empress? African your video call. Okay, hello, Africa's Empress Pandaline. Yeah, beautiful baby. Oh, nice. Hello, how you doing? Okay, nice. Don't mind me, why? Have you yet easy? Cannot feel your phone. Anyway, so yeah, call 0302-216-561 on face 0302-216-562. The patrol African are done for why. Mobeka Sivia, Debbie. Because if you're not eating, you see that. First call, hello. Hello. Hey.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
The patrol France, eh?
Where you one casa unica?
Vic.
Hey!
No size.
African where?
Me who you pa Vic? Sounds where?
I travel boys.
Vic, me patrol den nyamias na yanko why?
We the nyamias na madam to be yan. Want to young Juma. Na so I tell the time on the phone, heart and as a friend, waiting out for your Juma.
Oh, nice. Me patrol obey me chair madam for tunum na yanko.
Obey me chair madam for Sana Yesu tio. Oh yeah, madam for papa baby. Oh yeah, me both me chan me bankobia. Oh have me so madam for papa Yesu.
Why Nina? That's a power. Why?
Yo.
You're moving on to your next caller. Hello, good afternoon. Sorry about that. You try being there. Our man is to Shasa. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Patrick Frost saying.
Patrick me di Paulina,
you more come by into it.
Me do nyame ase ndedue. Nyame da se ba kwa aka. Ni ku peni ni ba. Na na sabre. Benson. It's me do nyame ase so da afi ba kwa asa na ahwe. Amen.
Afi to no me enko ai.
Be me che madam o sana Yesu te. Oh yeah, madam Fopa, Adine Namo. Oh yeah, me bukenti, me chami guankobia. Oh be me che madam Fopa na Yesu te.
Thank you. Yeah, that's it. God bless you. Let's move on to our next call on the line. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Patrol Frost saying.
About me the Emmanuel. So free to see how me taxi driver me na mo kwala traffic me the yanko pass pa.
Tina just say uchi say
na. Brother, me san kan na dem the yanko pass say me sa ka mo.
Oh, yeah, that's it. So our friend there. Okay. Then I did the radio say we.
About me the yanko pass say dey bia me tena ka ba me driving in and out. And so me ko ba tum je mo for so bia to me the yanko pass.
Okay. Patrol to me yanko.
Obemente madam for tena Yesu te. Oh yeah, madam for pa madini nemu. Oh yeah, me bo tentim me chem nemi guankobia. Obemente madam for pa say Yesu.
Why are there? Now, can you? So, also, a taxi driver. Hello?
Brother.
Also, a taxi driver.
We taxi driver Demokola to see a traffic
me pacho me ka de ba ku bi a che na me dia faso akasa che taxi drivers ni na ya na mo ahye no so kakra my why who say edu ba bi na mo nam krom sa na on na ayese mo penipa on enti aya na mo nhye dan kan mo ho on enti say
hello
otimenka otimenka hello enti say na sa mo penipa sa na on na ayesa mo na mo ana mo tutu mani hwe so obi ba be stop ma na mo gba ben kakra on enti esa mo nko no bi ababi na mo delay time na traffic bus enti say na mo hwe mo chi kakra say mo hwe na obi ya na mo koncha mo nipa kono be se na mo tombo ase apremu nipa no ai
angasa
uko di taxi driver bi echi na empty obi anim na openipa na kwara so ahia obi fi kona baby bakwa na o slow down or train hey chale you no go make you go zone anyway let's ask you for a next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Me pa try for say
Ade friend na mama me kasa so isema
na ma yenti we
me dey radio say e ma me mfani me business nyina say afi mu ono ankasa da Obeni say madam o sana Yesu si oye madam o pa adi nemo oye me botenti me se me ganko bia Obeni say madam na Yesu. Amen.
Amen. African yam for last two na yam fancy. Hello, good afternoon. Hello,
good afternoon.
The battery for saying
Pacho me de ata.
all right, brother, I am akwa ba yenti we.
Ayo. Me de yamiasu e de ma ni ameda. Awurade ade afi baako aka nentie ho. Eden yamiasu onya waya man. Amen.
Amen. Me patcho to no me enko.
Obeni se madanfu sena Yesu ti. Oye madanfu pa adinemu. Oye mi butati. Nisha minigan kobia Obe misha madam fusana Yesu si. Amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's a power for your call. I feel last quarter crown here. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
Yes, my dear. You're from saying.
But your friend did it take cool because the free aside was there.
Nice one. We patch you way.
But we don't know your mama, Mrs. Baba, for your friend and Nana and Chua at Jen. Oh, no, not 3 years and let me send Uncle Posto or bed one on our Shirano. A sure that says sure, my busena. Amen.
Amen. To know me, okay.
Jerry. You know the tea, I say, Maurice, of Bennington, Madame for Sana Yesu ti. Oh, yeah, Madame for Pa. I didn't know. I am a bonsanti. Me chimney Korea. Oh, Bennington. Madam Fusa na Yesu si. Amen.
Amen.
But my colleagues I was about known as checkpoint lane when now but I'm sick. Me man na Victoria Bendira my day. Me show na. Bye bye. I know the men now.
It's me for free baby FNC ya why na. Yeah, fast like I say my proud sponsors or more boy my dey offend can radio bro. Bell Portello. Anonia ed na mpanifo ne mo friend na ani je ho. Ne boss with that from each pack be only 16 bottles for the price of 12. We are traditional Italian drink, as you say, you're producing Ghana higher by Capsule, Bell Beverages. Open beer to our shops and stores and supermarkets. I don't need Mubenya Bell Portello. The door partner for Bell Beverages on 0544 335 800. Follow us at Bell Beverages on Facebook and on Instagram. Bell Portello. What do you wait? The first lady on my Dominion about powder. They say I don't know for they build a strong immune system. Oh. Yes, we bet now on Nassau. Say cream and what they papa I bring ya and normalize the blood pressure pass or heart and kidney related problems. If you go on fefe so the kidney won't BBO. No Dominion about powder. What diabetes, new stroke, and for the future. We do make it to be out to brain now, spine or joint in eye. But they also now the teaspoon and sack a crack. Now, would a good hot water more cup no more. I say, Joanna, and you may not repeat the same thing. And what didn't be a bar system, why Babu I don't tell you so. Open the door party, Angel Dominion about center, and Coco and no more phrase 0543 158 195. And yes, I dare pharmacy shop be a ben be a bow. Never born who bush your by Dominion about powder, your number one immune booster. Your first day, your ma Brooklyn hair relaxer. Or by way now, not just a simple wabe fix you know, come a power brown cost salon. Yes, quickly and efficiently. Now I relax you know, now I brown cost salon. Or they just cut the edge, Not what squeezy content in a woman into a bowl. Now one mix here until you get that creamy mesh channel. Then you apply to the root of your hair. You wait for a while. That's simple. Brooklyn hair relaxer containing 3 of nature's very best ingredients: shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. When you boil air structure, making it extremely flexible. And when you are done, the result is remarkable. Yeah, I said all the Brooklyn styling gel number 1. Then what me I keep your hair in place just the way you like it. Brooklyn hair relaxer for remarkable hair. As lady and command Bima Insurance, and they Bima together with Airtel to go insurance. Airtel over 50,000 claims since 2010 at the amount for Airtel to go insurance in partnership with Bima and my extra benefits. Now every stay in a hospital be on each night be on 40 cedis, yes, 40 cedis per night for up to 50 nights a year. It admit to be a connection say every night be on or 40 cedis a year. So simply insure yourself or a relative for only 2 cedis 50 pesos. Now I enjoy our benefits with, and there's more. And is simple, but me at your premium with your airtime, where receive claims straight to your Airtel money, Airtel to go mobile money account. That's simple. Fresh is here 550. Then register. I enjoy benefits after benefit with Airtel to go insurance, underwritten by Prudential Life and powered by Bima. Airtel to go. Life is simple. And Chebi Ababa Shas and Wedi to for another day. Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. In the meantime, yesterday was your birthday. A happy birthday going out to Reverend Samuel Apia of the Church of Pentecost, Dubai. May God bless you, Papa, and continue to bless you and bless you and bless you until you become a blessing. Amen. Happy birthday going out to the CEO of Railworth Fashion GH and the King's Parlor. Brian Adom Amevo. I want to thank God for your life today, and I'm grateful that you are part of my life. All the best on your birthday from Ohima, Barbara, and Ponsan. A happy birthday also going out to Thelma Emzra Isampon of CAC Gulf City Assembly. May you live long to count your blessings and name them one by one. From Adrina and the entire family in Tema and Cape Coast as well. And now, your birthday. You're from Hetty. Henrietta. No, I'm a classmate to Data Link University. Those days, he chepa. One nice girl like that. I'm penning oneself. Since you're a shatak radio, you know, chilies are there. And it's your birthday today, dear. Happy birthday to you, Hetty. If you are, mommy, Edi Obia didn't move, mommy, shine. Yes, shine, bobo. Oh, mommy, something can't show, say. Oh, do, papa, now, Dana Kumaso. Nene, wow, day. Oh, wish you a happy birthday. Now, say, Radinsha at the mouth. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. Na eneso ya mia ma de nyina mia me boss ba ko pe Benmansu Kofi Ousu Benmanie boni dia tu say yes what Benmadi Benmansu Kofi Ousu o Parma Italy. Happy birthday to you. Nyame onsha wate na onya okese wa kuma musa mo wa hwegu awurade so nyina ontie osufre ene dey ya your birthday na onya wa bisade no wakoma so ade nyina ma e wo Yesu dimu ni nyina mu no yesre empomden ene nyinkyere e de ma from myself and then from Abigail, from Pastor Usufa, from Obia, we are wishing you a happy birthday today. Very much soon, Kofi Ousu or Parma, Italy. Enjoy your day. So I'm kind of be a better somewhere due to you for an area. I will feel Ofie so Adom 106.3 FM. Now listen, I dear back where you depa and say what show ya no pana breakfast be a set na to say a more day ye. So we'll call anymore any. And there's something more than breakfast I'll bet me I enjoy. Right from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. And they uba be kasasa free. Yes, free morning calls from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. only on Airtel Tigo. So simply get a new Airtel Tigo SIM. Now, what make it transaction with Airtel Tigo money, and then you get free calls every morning. That's right, from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. for 6 solid months. Means from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. Obekasa free. And now, if you're already registered on Airtel to Go Mania, very simple. Just dial *110 hash. Now, what's selected option 2? Now, what's subscriber to SaaS service with only 2 cities per an Airtel wall. I feel also bet me free Airtel to Go morning calls. Now I add it to your breakfast. What I say? So now you know. Share the news because Kokonsa, get leg. Yanu yani Rebecca. Buy an Airtel to Go SIM today. Let me enjoy. I do more day to say Airtel to Go money. Life is simple. enum from na yentie sa se hwe nkofo odi nkofo awu youth no momo mani na o se nkofo se mabu na aba no sika pen tentem no se obenya ho tentem na bomani pa chese mani abro to obi apese ade be chenanka wa billionaire eti nkofo so afa ho no mo di bumu pa ne ade a momo mani na o ene bet ya ba ya manfo bet nkakra akrai unim sa manfo afa frosters bi afa ho edupi nkofo pa in the name of Betway wa bra Betway fo ankasa so enim hore afa na report no ba na Betway fo atenoms there bi Jerry kasa che Ghana for my yes I ni beba ye ho so no mo afa Betway hu aku nkrofo bebre enti patro se ma wani na ho yes Betway o se yen kan kirewo na mo wani na ho yie pa isa se ne di amafo ye wo kromu ano ha dwen wan hwe yi amafo ebetwa bukata ene sen de nkrofo ye ne se wo ho ano mo asende o link bi e wo Facebook Twitter ne WhatsApp ne ade de omo kan ne se ene de akwanya bi abeda ho aye ma akwankire no short way bi abetimi afa so atimi de debate kese apart from Betway etibomodian na click on sa link no no mo nkyere ode ekọ no de ekọ afa yes wani beba ho so no na nkofo na du sika fala no mokọ Betway say yen kan kyere say on fa link bia ma obia so obia mfa mawo say ho na okọ a ubetimi ehu akwan abefa so a ubetimi debate enokura bia anim entim wani na ho obi send sa link ne sa message ne kika sa ansem ne kyerwa report ne ma Betway eno betway.com.gh na report ne yenche safo no omo ye fraudsters etishe no so afenso undi 18 years on bet terms and conditions apply as you already know. Betway, for the love of the game. We also are regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Simple and titia bia nhye na wan kwa nkoto sa nso hwemu amankofo amfa osekan ankwa nkodwa said your mokano mi refri ebe no yento azunko edi yeah baba happy birthday going out to Joan Nyamiche Paddy. Yeah, Dodona Nimuse from Mrs. Paddy of Circle. Wishing you God's blessings, more wins, good health, and prosperity as you celebrate this special day. With in an unquanta bisanche. Now, there's more hits to excite you this July on Go TV. Pretty simple. And big boys no. In Nigeria, idea. You better so can they can count. Sounds like you try to know what me share Big Brother season 5 on Africa Magic Family. Now, what you need to rock 3 for a mix of Ghanaian and Nigerian stars. Why enjoy Super Sports 2? And they can count here, they can count here. Now, face where Killing Eve season 2 year bay, and also our Fox. And we shall see you from the 1st of July at Tatemwa and the Coco Baby or Z World, Starlight, Telemundo, Discovery ID, and so much more. So don't miss out on all the fun and action on Go TV this July from as low as 20 Ghana cities. Wait me connected. While bro use you my Go TV app no. I pay body point. And our mobile money agents be your ben. Go TV, live it, love it. Say a kwan fufo bi o betimi afa so aye transactions wa bra onso sika mu a. That is the best because sika na ekura wonsem no unim ensa kran eso sa sika mu ansa na ebedu nsem say areaba the senti NNA Goil payment system no they say compatible with Ghana Link GH Link the national payment platform and they say obetimi use GH Link card no e dey ato fuel na what you account Goil POS machines no eso GH Link card holders no. Enyina begye di say amount additional payment option. Yeah, or the better fuel our Goil filling station BM in addition to the Goil Go card no. Now every fuel be our better be our bro use a GH Link card no. It is recorded automatically on your monthly bank statement, and no ebwa my card holders need to keep you track. No one manage your more fuel expenses and so go ahead and use your GH Link card to buy fuel, any lubricants and other services from Goil or more over 400 stations across the country. Go cashless and protect yourself and stick to all the COVID-19 protocols. Goil, good energy. Goil, Yenara Yedia. Now, still in the season for extra. I thought to go say and can't say cancel social distance now. And non chess. When we abuse your motor quanta mapa, wait me, I check on them on phone. And until more airtime to make those important calls. Wait me, I casache. Now, when you're more data bundles, let me stay online. Now, I the opus or so go on and choose from Airtel to go's big time data extra, Fuse extra, or extra unlimited, and get extra because it's time for extra. You the film, just dial star 111 hash to choose a plan today. Airtel to go. Life is simple. Mami for kwa kuja siba kubi nye ansana nye ana. Info we chumi rade. I feel like doing this till like 6, 5, and I'm 5. If you cry. Bench be about to try somewhere to you for real quick. Now the car to us. And come baby. His name is Kweku Jesse, and he calls this one Unyame Asida, Ampa Unyame Asida Bebre. And today happens to be the birthday of a special somebody. Yes. Happy birthday going out to you, Mrs. Priscilla Sakite Abe, CEO of Trustee Bakes and Event, Dakuman. Of course, this one is coming from your husband, Mr. Emmanuel Mensah Abe, wishing you long life, good health, and prosperity as you celebrate your birthday today. May the good Lord bless you, Mrs. Priscilla Sakite Abe. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. Kwakuye afi yanhwa asem adi tu yonfo ne yankoye nim. And I said, why I did to your home for no, and come be a shot say last Wednesday. Nyame Adom or the Friday a chain there nende yeah they say no eba ewie. So yeah, shall say last Wednesday, like I said, theme na no, or say don't stop, get going. Now Wednesday no day share or say face every stage of life with open arms and make positive use of the lessons that they teach. Face every stage of life with open arms and make positive use of the lessons that they teach. And Endra Thursday, they share the two so still under the same theme, don't stop, get going. Endra they now say, like a roller coaster, life may be frustrating sometimes. It could also be joyous at some points, but you need to keep moving in order to get there. Actually, so Brano do baby a emu betimi ayedin do baby a na say obo emo do baby a na say your how sanso na do baby emu betimi ayede yie pa nanso so betimi aduru sa bia na emu ode na watimi ahu say enye ya honkwa na obedu abrabo mu a jeso tokoso a epem kwa wanim esan say wadu baby emu ode na ugusu a wo de obo na yaare so okoso gina wa na wanka wanim a it means that saati bia na emu nye de no enum na obegina basa wan pa aba wona wa ma wabamu amu na tokoso na akọ wanimu a obetimi adu baby a eno so emu ode e wa abrabo no mu ene de atwa to no na de we still under the theme don't stop, get going. And that's no so say or brofokasem no, if you remain at the frustrating level, you can't make it to the joyous zone. So get going, do as much as you can, and always remember to be grateful to your maker for life. Concluding part no. Not to say we no cry no ebesi and radi no so pepepe. O se se okoso ana tena baabi a abrabo no emunye level na wadu no baabi a etete wo baabi a ma wudi ya baabi a wudi areho baabi a wudi nkugo no baabi a wo hwe ase wa abrabo no no se okoso ana tena ho ana wa mo homoden na wantu anamo amfree sa atebia no mu a enya de a obetimi aduru empempenso bi a abrabo no be ye de ama enu ti koso a ne koso se de tie bia se eche so pai so se den abramu ye den se den ekugodie ne ba se den se edu ba bi ne esi watwetwe edu ba bi kura timi se de ne ma ekura de asa kura de jama obeja amanfo wa abrabo na wanka so amebobi ba ni nyina mu na ya mempa ba ni nyina mu no aya memma wa bam emu aya mentina koso a ne bo homodin bia se ubetimi improve on baby a wadu no kakran no ube fit a frustrating level no na a move you to the joyous zone na so etimi edide ediye e wa abrabo mu na mum de twa to so ni nyina mu no aya memma wo remfri se ubeyi ubofo na ye isa se enye kra no uguso wonkwa obi de anka wadu baby abrabo no ye de obi nko wode ohwehwe nyina sika de bibia nko obi enso nipa kono da e wan sorry eno so e etie bia na wo no wo frustrating level ho unya ndu joyous zone mu de but still a radial my life, so you need to be grateful to him as well. Ya na wa share no so ya fast da my proud sponsors on mo boy MIT sa enkomo yi MTN and a content manager no eno an obi agusu di ho adanse a emu ye se itiawa twen nyina ne se offer bi beba na service bi beba emu ye de na wo de ho akodom afi o kwa na foforo aba na de ho akodom ebe kakra no na eno ate wani so wunya na nka wa stop sa subscription but we refi short code kra or they subscribe you to sa service no eti untimi cancel subscription no and in the MTN MR control of your mobile experience with *175#. You can view, add or cancel subscriptions you no longer need all in one place without the stress of searching for the short codes to stop those subscriptions. That's it. One short code to do it all. So just dial *175#. Now I say MTN Content Manager. Now follow prompt no, because we're good together and we're there for you everywhere you go. And what you stay there, your farmer in boost herbal measure. Edru na enye dru nso edru na edru nso enye dru no. Ene ye kan for the amount. Esan so obi atimi no bi o yare o yare o. Eboa e boost immune system pa. Ema oho eye odin ye. Na yado obi a hinta woni padua no mu bia okra wo nya aware of no. Sa edru itimi kunyanya ni na e clean ni na feel system no ma. Na ho ato on temper. Ti ye kan for the amount bia opese otimi nyiche. Immune system na ho odin bam na no atimi fight against diseases ebebo akwan mu dia. The way to go no say obenom. In boost herbal mixture aka police ni na dru no. Ebedu akaginamu. Ekus Pharmacy, Widema Pharmacy, Tribal Judah Pharmacy, King's Walk Herbal. Afe alternative and a dependable herbal shops across the country. And a health alert shop here at St. John's. Binyebi on yes afre 0243 115 948 and a 0246 208 496. Dudu bi onye bia de bensomo. Finally, your fast dama Manix Herbal Capsules. Eye memadru ya we no eboa ema utimi ejina brane wo ye wa sede se bema e wo mpam bema e bia meka se wadu mpani fie so enema mu aye mre kakra but ubetimi asensi udadam abra na oye babunu no eno an se obeno no Manix Herbal Capsules da ne da eboa promote libido stamina proper bi na obenya oh you can sexual potential ukura at all level what I say I'm waiting to make ultimate performance Tinunumbi twice daily. Not just say unya glass of water now the amene da oyam team and no one on a bebo adwumani na amount. Tia come Manix I'll say rediscover the youth in you. Obesense you mabunu embre mu biem. Abon papa na bibia koye. Available in all pharmacy shops but for bulk purchase now offer Sharp Pharmaceuticals 0302 2220 329 of 0249 436 756 and 020 812 9841. Dudu obi ohia bia no abusia ye de besomo na onso mama ebia so obi so ene wankasa so na ode abo ho ban kama pa. Right, yenko yenim na yeko yenimu no o say happy birthday enkoma Amano Chrome YPG organizer Beatrice Dakwa Ampoma Wei Efi Nana Yirenchi the first Mampong Ekuapem Apesmakahene o say o ma utirimkwa na nyame ma unyi nkyere ya yedie ani nhyira nso ewo mu. Happy birthday to you. Nice one. We know say ayemi krum lai kwakudi me Ghana boy me no say ofaku apemo a ye would be for side wa ye me agasa na me mountain boy cause aku apem lai na eye bepo nko a bepo so ne ade a and now for so a ye fu bepo sa ne di me ko ware ya anzo mampon side and also bepo sa ye bepo boy teacher sa de kwa. Anyways, yemra back na fe yem head ya kana yemfa ento asomane nkoso anda ya wa Adom 106.3 FM.
Say ye kase Dominion Herbal Powder eye nwanwadwuma ema immune system andan nkwabo wo nipaduam ne yeden na ne senti wotadi yare sunkunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o
adron de fine pa manumbi tina me di ho adanse no enya yese memese
Dominion Herbal Powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse enti na be kanfo ne aye ewo nipaduam no eburo madwen ene mente ase so nipa biara a wo pese wudi wo mfie nyankopon de ma wo no na wudi me ne de emma Dominion Herbal Powder empa wo hu de biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion Herbal Powder enwanso anya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo ase bia gumu wo twa nseti yanum wo wie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo aba aton mo manufo ene kwada woni mfie dum ye ne de won ka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195 FD ahwehwe sa edwadien krato mu agiatum se eye
Yes. Oh, I say, you know, when I'm out for a bench. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. Slow. The maze is cement. action for pizza in the mezi. Yeah, I am chinner Hawaii. Me funny no more bomu no baby shreyam no kuno kologole. And here Jaisu WMP capsule. Anye Jaisu WMP capsule. Yeah, it is here Kobeya. We am bedroom Merija Wunanum Papa Brown Sana Waba. So a constipation I am chira. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No Baba William way. Hey, you Fibiaro. I am chira. What to host is sumo triplenary you from a one hole. As a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No William Rebogo. Yafana Macha. One time upon a William Algo will find. The Bibiara reason. San Jaisu Yaba Clinic away Jaisu WMP capsule. Happened to a friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Share me manage big things home. Me fast small things in yahweh. And nunti na manage Go TV hono. If we say Go TV dear, me nimsa bribia omu bet share me bigger and better things. And can say about the footballer. So even did that.
Sergio Aguero.
Yeah, crowd near the football papa no ebre wo back. Super Sport ya wo Go TV so the live football ebre wo back. And then the rough. Yeah, who the do na big boys number back in town. La Liga ni Syria A games nyina.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Hey, crystal clear digital pictures and the sound papa bi ne dey brewo e wo Go TV so. Menye go slow crowd. Ko pay by the point and now mobile agent bi obewo ne twa ho to. Go TV. Live it, love it.
Oh, Ukaso be mami extra manabro so ne die na wuyi. Extra ebechesa.
Ani o madam, Airtel Tigo die, ye die boshe so pa. Sisi ampo, so we extra unlimited Airtel Tigo call sabu so me no a. Eye 10 Ghana cedis pe.
We are na me pese anything.
Brasso, so we unlimited calls. Na ye Airtel Tigo so pe. With your star 111 hash Sisia.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Nokia smartphones abano and no one be can wasem. Nokia new Android smartphones you are more megapixels. Nisenti e ma pictures ni videos pop baby. Nokia new Android smartphones you fast. So what they call internet content so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, umiaswa. Let them Nokia batteries there we are signal di one dance here. Or new Android phones you charge ya a jinaswa they say jinaso. Also when you bet new Nokia Android smartphones Jewo Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, Nokia C1, and now Nokia C2, and now Nokia new slick phones or the abanibi. Call phone shop be a bear one. Now Jewo Nokia phones is here. Nokia, it keeps getting better.
Hey, Kwamina, Machila, I know. Line up for the music Wagana Hano. Hey, Bobby West, what can you about data? What is our Uncle for Jackpot for Bia Bahwasam Effini? They were 539.
That's a lie with you. A body of baby. Pianim, the heels of a dollar star 446 hash. Now, get this come pimp him the beer.
Now, when you went on Angan,
so when you didn't cry, live your dreams. For 2 Ghana City, Peco star 446 hash. And that's a Fontaine to dewa-nla.com. The bonus who came near Bobana. Now, bet you this and pimp him the biara kaisa utra bebre na udisi kapudu dewa afa.
Freshman capsules, a one memon pomudin, fresh cool capsules, a yema kuku,
fresh lady capsules, a woman maomutia or mufichukum.
Name or pinful or buy one more menu for now for that when you feel to me no come home. 0243 559 319.
Freshman capsules, a one memon pomudin, fresh cool capsules, a yema kuku,
fresh lady capsules, a woman maomutia or mufichukum.
Name or pinful or buy one more menu for now for that when you feel to me no come home. 0243 559 319.
Freshman capsules, a one memon pomudin, fresh cool capsules, a yema kuku,
fresh lady capsules, a woman maomutia or mufichukum.
Name or pinful or buy one more menu for now for that when you feel to me no come home. 0243 559 319.
FD Ashoshe Jadi and Cry to Mwaja to Muse Eye.
Fresh products. Hashtag Bobra.
Kwaba wo good life so. Ehane ye twetwe nkomo fa ye dada gina ye wo ya pomuden ni ye die ho. Enen nkomo no fa nuane a esese wudi bra wa frefu. Didi mane no so kakra. Di nuamane atosode pi te se mango, brofre, paya ni ahahama.
For good life bra. Mane nya wo dada de. Bo ho de reche wo namfonom ni wo busia. Asitnapa. Boni ye eye dada de. Nkai boy fi Ghana Health Service. You said no more boyfriend chain.
Hey, Minia, what's it? Say, what to say? Nia, say, my tempi sopano pebia. Everyone upon on do dear. Na Ghana for bay 5 million. Not say what to say. Bay and prenu. What's it? What your trouble? Hajia, watch a line more. And I fake Coco Jaitana. And walk on a hono. Now say, what's it? What to say? Pay not just a cocosano. And bay a jackasa.
Also, have you heard? Say, Anopakos ye free. Or Airtel Tigo so a friend of Panunum. Kosi non do sa, Busuminsia.
Busuminsia.
Sa. Say, what to Airtel Tigo same? Now the Airtel Tigo man in talk credit and now did you maybe and no pakos you free sabu suminsia say what spread the news here now when it ya konkonsano gele kojo Airtel Tigo simende ya
Airtel Tigo, life is simple.
Abra ye guswa din kabom ekwetia COVID-19 yi. Ecobank ma wa kwanya hodwa. Wo de betina fie. Abon ho ban na wetumi du sikasem ahyewa wonsem. Fa Ecobank mobile didra bebia ne abrevia. Se wo Ecobank account ana woni bie. For text message ana email so for manisika. To credit, tia wo bills. Abra wuti fie edwodwo ho. Se ye sika pudo na oni en didra. For your internet banking no so. Ecobank QR code ma wo kwan ma wo fa abefu sikatua kwan so. Etua ne ma no dwumadi Walker, one for Sikapotin, Entia, Ecobank Mobile, and Neya will Google Play Store, App Store, and I am Facebook page, and now Bosta 770 hash, and will phone BR so. Nasha see Didra, Ecobank, General, Kaisa Obama Quine, Adaunia for Frontem, Eata Horo and Sa, and Afi, and phone Sankiko and him, Uyam Webia, Fre Ecobank Contact Center, or 3225, Debia, and Yabribia, won't ya she, Snefina Bo Mobile, Ecobank, the Pan African Bank.
Like moms know what to do in every situation, you can trust Fortune Rice for all your rice meals. It needs just a little water. The grains don't stick and the aroma and taste are delicious. Fortune Rice, always on point, just like mom. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Just like mom. Hey, say I'm passa what if I kwana what wadi so. Baby wa baby o. Na what penny na me share say the Bravia shower gel ejare. Na me share say you see Bravia products aka ni nyina. And the penny be hwe me ready. And na milk and snail slime e woman ti. Ejare bia na me hu na maye me shop na e moton. Me new discovery Bravia shower gel and the Bravia products ti. Me tu mu adanse ya kosi me buda. Kai say ubenya Bravia shower gel and the Bravia products ni nyina e bi cosmetic shop bia. Bravia to me ni me Nkratwe Food and Drugs Board agiatum.
Enna bluebird no tuko riem a eye blue fe no mu na okwechire ton. Ane blue.
Emra yesen wo mo fresh mu enye mreketwa sesei ubetumi de mre ahye won edidie mu nso hwehwe Cerelac fofra Iron Plus wo mu a eboama mo franyi ntem Nestle Cerelac big nutrition for small tummies.
Nkratwe FDA for agiatum.
What's here for? Your best remo. Nay, the breaking news way. Echem. Within the Jocelyn Duma. A man for Bebrina says, "Sia." Or they when you actually Samsung shops are on my muha. Nay, you bema bako kidi. And I horses. Hello, Onya Yankwe.
A free July 1st. It goes to July 31st. Samsung Emma, a man for Aquania, Amamonia TV, washing machines, fridges, and a microwaves. A Bravia Metal Galaxy phones, any home appliances. A man for Nasa Muye. My any sofa no bako kasa. Hello, Abrantie.
The second time I made a bahanu. Your phone bako academy better last week. No radio. Me the command is more. Hey, Medayana. And they enjoy. Bye bye.
Matis and I watch you be a draw. Mubayi winners. So move Jocelyn.
Ene da ho. Bonso ye ntem na ko Samsung shop bia e ben. Na ko je Samsung Galaxy phone and home appliances. Nenya akwenya we ne be. Saint na e wo se we ni Samsung e kabom e ye baako no. Emom nhihye kakra wo. Oh Lord of mercy.
Yoba.
O se den. Kacha me.
Asum den ma men kan chero.
Araba. Menya misao.
Odo. A long story.
Mini chassis. No one thing. My ye Vodafone kasa tinting. Person me pia.
Hey, Kokonsakin kom. Okay. Hey, me say offer me no.
Din komono na feely. Na drop with Safilano. Shitolino na kasa teten. E wo Vodafone kasa tenten so. Friend and Fofoni abusianfo e wo network bia so. Na bon komo emre teten bia wo pe. Na just me di kind of pe. But star 135# and after 135 na subscribe e wo Vodafone kasa tenten so. And she check kakra wo ho.
Ready?
Ghana nyina hade ne boss. Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3. This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
So what am I? I can't tell what you see. I want to be quiet in a day. What did you see? Second, I was a captain. I can be fancy. Matume Boma shall come on when they say we'll be doing it. Say you want to don't come out here. I can't be my word. They say you want to don't come out here. Will be my fool. It's the member will be what I give it to. So what up? What be doing? Won't be say one piano. What up? What hey? Be good, yeah. What up? What be doing? Won't be say one piano. What up? What hey? Feeling in your deep, and the show so I'm more sane. That's the one I go find. My mental came. Me tell me how my follow man. I'm my main came. Why you me? I'm in now. Mama me remain insane. Me don't hear my eye. I said wow. Obi be kumya.